Surface take one. This is a 16-inch wide surface. You could probably surf on this thing. It has an incredibly high load rating of 1,200 pounds, and it cuts like wood, meaning you can use a skill saw or a handsaw to cut it to length. Let's flip this thing over, and let's take a look at some of the other features that we've packed in on the underside. The first thing that we want to point out is we've stepped this lip back so you can scribe it easier on the back edge of the wall to get a nice tight fit. The second piece is we have a wire run back here. So if you're going to use the surface, which is not just a shelf, for something, say like a computer desk, you can pick up that outlet, which might be, you know, a mile away, and you can tuck your wires into the back of it to hide it. Power adapters can be tough, but we've helped you there too. That wire run and the surface, you can just pop a hole in it, take a zip tie, and secure it right to the bottom. Packing your wires in, hiding everything in sight. We have this fancy trick with the bracket because of the groove. And what that allows you to do is slide it back and forth, throw your wire over top, push the surface tight to the wall, snap it into place. So recessed lighting, LED lighting is kind of a thing. And the Toden surface allows you to unsnap and take that LED light strip and apply it in a dedicated LED groove. This groove has 3 different planes, which lets you shoot that light backwards, straight down, or forwards. So with the proprietary twist latch, we've disconnected the surface, ran our LED, and then it's a matter of putting it back on and snapping it back into the bracket. And it's important to know that this surface is not only good for the interior of your home, but also in a shop setting. So if you happen to spill motor oil on it, our surface is non-porous, and you can just wipe that up, no problem. We talked about load ratings. 1,200 pounds. Now, you might think, oh, I'm not going to put 1,200 pounds on this. That's crazy. But what that allows us to do is cantilever our surface over any anchor point up to 24 inches while maintaining rigidity.